In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com, and we'll have it all set up in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you need to head over to Monday.com. This is where we'll begin crafting our calendar. Once you're on the Monday.com homepage, you'll see the login option. Click on that to enter your account credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to do so beforehand. After clicking login, you'll see an option to sign in using Google. Click on Google, and from the drop-down, choose the Google account that you'd like to use. This will streamline our process as we integrate Google Calendar later on. Make sure it's the right account, since this is the one that will be synced with your Monday.com calendar. With that done, you're now logged in and ready to proceed. Look to the left panel of your dashboard where you'll find your boards. Navigate to the board you want to work with. This board will house the calendar integration, so it's important that you choose the right one. Once inside your chosen board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find the Integrate button there. Clicking this button opens up a world of possibilities to connect Monday.com with other apps, but today we're focusing on Google Calendar. Now, from the list of integrations, find and click on Google Calendar. This option will allow us to seamlessly transfer data between Monday.com and your Google account. The next prompt will ask you to choose the type of connection you'd like to establish. Consider what you want your calendar to do. Should it pull updates from Monday.com to Google Calendar, or do you want changes to reflect both ways? Choose the option that best suits your workflow. After deciding on the connection type, the next step is to click on Use Template. Templates are a great way to simplify integrations as they come pre-configured with most settings already optimized for you. Once you hit that button, it's time to connect and authorize your Google Calendar. Make sure that you're authorizing access to the same Google account you logged in with earlier. This will ensure that all your schedule details sync correctly. With authorization complete, your Monday.com calendar is now integrated with Google Calendar. This means any updates or changes you make to your schedule will automatically reflect across both platforms, keeping your planning efficient and streamlined. Remember, always double-check that you're using the correct account to avoid mixing schedules. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to create a calendar in Monday.com that saves you time and helps manage your tasks effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped enhance your productivity with Monday.com.